mobility. If you want to experience the future of luxury, this is it. Mercedes is setting the bar high, and daring everyone else to catch up. The EQS is proof that electric can be both cutting-edge and unmistakably luxurious. It's not just about being green, it's about being better in every way. The future of the S-Class is here, and it's electric. The EQS is leading the revolution. This is what happens when Mercedes goes all in on electric. The result? A new definition of luxury. The EQS is the car to beat. If Mercedes is all about futuristic minimalism, BMW's i7 is bold, traditional luxury, electrified. The i7 keeps the classic three-box sedan shape, but with illuminated kidney grills and split headlights for a modern twist. Inside, BMW's curved display merges a 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen, sleek, responsive, and driver-focused. But the real magic is in the back. The executive lounge package brings a 31-inch 8K theater screen that folds down for a private cinema experience. Stream content, enjoy the Bowers & Wilkins sound system, and relax in opulent comfort. Details matter: glass controls, a crystalline interaction bar, and exquisite materials throughout. Under the hood, dual motors, all-wheel drive, 536 horsepower, 0-60 in 4.5 seconds. Range? Up to 318 miles, slightly less than the EQS, but still road trip ready, with ultra-fast charging. The i7 drives like a true BMW air suspension, adaptive dampers, and rear axle steering for